Car is now in its actual original state, absolutely scratchless, with all the marks and stains that were there all gone, including a super job with the lights and all the chrome, the glass, plastic. Excellent job, Ankit.
Thank you. If you have an old car, you don't really need to sell it. If it looks old, you just get it to us and we make it look brand new. So stay with us. We're not going to keep this video very long. See the steps that we're going to be doing to restore this car and make it shiny and nice again. We're going to show you the before shot so you can see the car's condition right now, and you'll anyways be seeing what we're going to be doing step by step. So today we have the E-Class with us, and this isn't the new E-Class. This is about 10 years old, or probably a little more than that, about 12 years old. And this car has come in for a full detail, so pretty much going to be restoring this car. The paint, obviously, because of the duration that this car has been with the owner, has got a couple of scratches. The paint is faded. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to get this car back to life and as close to the original glory when it rolled out from the showroom the first time is what we're kind of going to restore this car to. The alloys have hard water marks. I mean, the car with age has had a lot of contamination was sitting on it. The paint isn't perfect. So what we're going to be doing is to do a proper paint correction to kind of remove most of the scratches from the paint. The scratches which are really deep and the paint has come out, we can't really do anything about that unless you want to repaint it. So we're going to try and restore this as much as possible within a budget. The budget of the client is about 8,000 to 9,000. So that's what we're going to be working within and doing the best we can within that budget. The alloys will be decontaminated completely. We're going to be doing a full interior cleaning. We're going to condition the leather. We're going to polish all the other parts inside. We're going to be cleaning out the engine. We're not going to be spraying it directly with water, but we're going to be doing a dry wash and a polish. So see the restoration of this car. As you saw the car before, so we need to identify what we're going to be doing on this car or what level of paint correction we need to be doing on this. So as you can see in this area, you'll find a lot of fading and you'll find a lot of scratch marks on the paint. This is the original finish. If you can come a little closer and see this finish of the car, it looks a little white and faded. And if you look at this part of the boot, it's a lot more shinier. There are lesser scratches on it. That's because we've done 2 steps of paint correction to achieve this gloss. So now that's what we're going to be doing across the car. The first is going to be a really hard cutting, so we can cut through all the fine scratches and the fading. And the second will be to bring back the shine and gloss on the paint. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. Post that, we're going to be removing the hard water and doing a full decontamination wash of the car. And then we'll move for the interior as well. So stay tuned, we'll keep showing you all the process. Guys, we're finally done with the car and you can see the condition, but I'm not going to talk about it. I'm going to talk about how he left the car with us and how it looks now. So I'm going to hand over the stage to you.
Car is now in its actual original state, absolutely scratchless, with all the marks and stains that were there all gone, including a super job with the lights and all the chrome, the glass, plastic. Excellent job, Ankit.
Thank you.
I'm really grateful and you really done me proud. Thanks
a
a
ton. You really
ton.
maintain your car, so now we're going to keep it in this condition.
You know it will go into a cover and only come out maybe a couple of months later to be polished again.
Yes. So thank you so much and I hope you like the car.
Lovely. Thank you so much. Thank